friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is pattern printing. So now open this question. So the pattern printing, given a number n, the task is to print a series of asterisks from 1 till n term with increasing order and difference being 1. Now see first example, n equals to 3. So the output is 3. Difference between them is 1. Difference between 2 is only 1 asterisk difference. So now see second example. So n equals to 5. So the output is this. So now write the code for this question. So first we will use for loop which run from I equals to 1 to I equals to I less than equals to n I plus plus I plus plus. Here we make a string str which is initialized with asterisk. Now we write the output statement system dot out dot print. Here we write the condition str dot repeat plus space. Here when I equals to 1, then str will be print only one time, then space print. If str equals to 2, then this string repeat 2 times. If I equals to 3, then this string repeat 3 times. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the due to some network issues, we just have need to copy this code, again refresh this page. Now again compile and run. Now again submit this code. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.